How you guys doing this morning? So we're on the way to a pretty big job. It's a big sycamore tree. It's probably close to 100 foot tall, I'd say. It's hanging over a mobile home and a big shed. Shed's coming down later this year. We'll bring you guys along. We'll see you when we get there. And to the subscribers, I just want to tell you thank you guys. Everybody that's subscribed, thank you very much. You guys have yourselves a good day. Thanks for watching. What is up, YouTube? So we're back here at the job in Campbell Hill I was telling you about on the way here, and that's the tree right there, folks. I'm trying to see the size of it here. It's probably one of the biggest trees in town, I think. But we're gonna take it down and we're gonna bring you guys along. And like I said, if you guys like the content and like the videos, go ahead and hit that subscription button and give our videos a like. Comment if you want, we'd really appreciate it. You guys have a good day. We'll see you at the top. Go, thank you, sir. These guys are suiting me up for battle.
And you've been starting already.
Yeah.
Cut off his head.
Off with his head. Ready? This one right here. Got a big one here, boys. Alright, you guys want to go ahead and get my basil tie, please? Got you a little slack in there. Well, this is a big one, YouTube. Pretty good sized one. We're gonna rope this one here off next, guys. Tie-in. Rigging point. Ready? Too much friction, huh?
Let it down. Let it down fast. Yep. Fast, 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 fast. Yep. Okay, hold her off. Good job, gents. There you go. There you go. Dirty's on, red's on. I'm gonna move down and we'll be ready. Nice job, boys. Yep, got you one. You sound like Beavis, dude. There you go. A little bit more drift. This one needs to be kind of sweated. Ready? Joey, give it out. Job. Yeah, hey, that's fine. That was great. Probably have to hit it down there where it's coming up off the ground. Ready on that road? Now I'm gonna ask this again. Everybody look at this really closely. Under any circumstance, this is not gonna get in that line, right? Out. There you go. Let it run out. That's why you're in a bad zone, Jeff. It was swinging out that way, bud. Maybe, hell, I don't know where you could have stood then. Maybe between them two little sheds. You shouldn't be standing that close to the tree in that quarter up anyways.
We ain't got that much room.
Oh, that's true. Gosh dang. I forget. Yeah. Got 3 extra foot.